police officers emerged from a back office and placed them under arrest and escorted them down to the District A police station.
We're here because we have to address a worrying, a very serious incident that occurred. I'm here with our Deputy Director of Industrial Relations, Kamisha Benjamin, and she is going to update us on what happened. Kamisha, tell them what happened.
Earlier this week, the Barbados Workers Union received a report that two young ladies from Kentucky Fried Chicken Barbados Limited were unfairly terminated. They were informed by the company to come to the company on Wednesday to receive their national insurance certificate, their final wages, and to return their uniforms. They were informed to do so at a specified time. On arrival at the company, police officers emerged from a back office and placed them under arrest and escorted them down to the District A police station.
Kamisha, what you just explained, is that something that usually happens, like police waiting for people at the company when they're returning to arrest them on site? Is that something that happens a lot?
It was a first for the Barbados Workers Union, and it is a very disturbing situation. This is a case where the young women were not even aware that they were under investigation for the offense for which they are now charged. And so, knowing that, you would understand that there was no reason for the young women to try to evade the police. So there was no effort on the part of the police before that time to find them. So there was no need for the company to do it in such a disgusting manner.
You know, one of the things people are going to say is that, oh, the Barbados Workers Union is going to defend workers. It don't matter what they did or anything like that. What can you say about this specific case?
Well, what I would say, first of all, is that the Barbados Workers Union is an institution that is 82 years strong. We are a responsible institution. And just as we do not support unfair or illegal practices from companies or employers, we equally do not support illegal practices on behalf of our members. We would not be disinvested if there was any evidence to support the charge for which they are now under investigation for.
This specific company, Kentucky Fried Chicken, we've been having some back and forth with them in recent times. What has been really going on there with KFC, and what would you say to the management of KFC if you had to speak to them about this incident?
To KFC, I would say this. In order for there to be industrial peace, it requires a level of trust. And coming out of this incident, they have quite simply broken that trust. And so anything that flows therefrom is fair game.
Our two members that are at the heart of this, what do you want them to know?
I want them to know that we support them 100%. We know that this is a case that they will win. And we will allow the court and justice to run its course, but we will be there with them to offer any support that we can along the way.